Success in life is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. One of the most critical choices you can make is to set clear, specific, and achievable goals. Without goals, you are like a ship adrift at sea, with no destination in sight. Goals provide direction, purpose, and a roadmap to your desired future. They give you something to strive for, a reason to get out of bed in the morning, and a sense of accomplishment when achieved. In this detailed exploration, we will delve into the importance of setting clear goals, how to define them, and the steps you can take to ensure they are achievable. We will also look at real-life examples of individuals who have achieved extraordinary success by setting and pursuing clear goals. The importance of setting clear goals. Setting clear goals is the foundation of success. Goals act as a compass, guiding your actions and decisions toward a specific outcome. They help you focus your energy and resources on what truly matters, reducing the likelihood of getting sidetracked by distractions. Clear goals also provide motivation. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you are more likely to stay committed and persevere through challenges. Consider the story of Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time. From a young age, Phelps set a clear goal to become the greatest swimmer in history. He didn't just aim to win a few medals, he aimed to break records and dominate the sport. His coach, Bob Bowman, helped him set specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, such as improving his stroke technique, increasing his speed, and winning multiple gold medals in a single Olympics. Phelps's clear goals and relentless pursuit of them led him to win 23 Olympic gold medals and set numerous world records. In your own life, setting clear goals can help you achieve remarkable success. Whether you want to advance in your career, start a business, improve your health, or learn a new skill, having clear goals will give you the focus and motivation you need to succeed. How to define clear goals. Defining clear goals requires careful thought and planning. It's not enough to have a vague idea of what you want. You need to be specific about your objectives and how you plan to achieve them. Here are some steps to help you define clear goals. Identify your passion and purpose. The first step in setting clear goals is to identify what you are passionate about and what gives your life purpose. Your goals should align with your values, interests, and long-term vision for your life. Ask yourself, what do I truly want to achieve? What brings me joy and fulfillment? What legacy do I want to leave behind? Be specific. Vague goals like, I want to be successful, or I want to be rich are not helpful. Instead, be specific about what you want to achieve. For example, if you want to advance in your career, specify the position you want, the skills you need to acquire, and the timeline for achieving it. If you want to improve your health, specify the weight you want to reach, the exercise routine you will follow, and the dietary changes you will make. Make your goals measurable. To track your progress and stay motivated, your goals should be measurable. This means defining clear criteria for success. For example, if your goal is to save money, specify the amount you want to save and the time frame in which you want to save it. If your goal is to learn a new skill, specify the level of proficiency you want to achieve and the steps you will take to get there. Set achievable goals. While it's important to dream big, your goals should also be realistic and achievable. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment. Consider your current resources, skills, and circumstances when setting your goals. If your goal is to start a business, for example, consider the capital you have, the market, demand, and the competition. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable steps that you can achieve over time. Set time-bound goals. Goals without deadlines are just wishes. To stay motivated and focused, set a specific time frame for achieving your goals. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you prioritize your actions. For example, if your goal is to write a book, set a deadline for completing the first draft, editing the manuscript, and publishing the book. Write down your goals. Writing down your goals makes them more tangible and increases your commitment to achieving them. Keep your written goals in a place where you can see them daily, such as on your desk, in your journal, or on your phone. This constant reminder will help you stay focused and motivated. 7. Create an action plan. Once you have defined your goals, create a detailed action plan outlining the steps you need to take to achieve them. Break down each goal into smaller tasks and set deadlines for completing each task. This will make your goals more manageable and help you track your progress. Review and adjust your goals. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change. Regularly review your goals and adjust them as needed. If you encounter obstacles or setbacks, reassess your goals and make necessary changes to stay on track. Real-life examples of clear goals leading to success. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a prime example of someone who set clear, ambitious goals and achieved extraordinary success. Musk's goals include revolutionizing the automotive industry with Tesla, making space travel accessible with SpaceX, and transforming the energy sector with SolarCity. Each of these goals is specific, measurable, achievable, and time-bound. Musk's clear vision and relentless pursuit of his goals have made him one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey's journey, from a troubled childhood to becoming a media mogul, is a testament to the power of clear goals. Winfrey set a clear goal to become a successful talk show host and used her platform to inspire and empower millions of people. Her specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, combined with her determination and hard work, led her to achieve unparalleled success in the media industry. J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling's story is another inspiring example of the importance of clear goals. Despite facing numerous rejections and personal challenges, Rowling set a clear goal to publish her Harry Potter series. Her specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, along with her unwavering commitment, eventually led to the publication of one of the best-selling book series in history. Serena Williams. Serena Williams, one of the greatest tennis players of all time, set clear goals from a young age. Her goals included winning Grand Slam titles, becoming the world's #1 player, and inspiring the next generation of athletes. Williams' specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, combined with her discipline and hard work, have made her a legend in the world of tennis. The necessity of clear goals are essential for several reasons. Direction and focus. Clear goals provide direction and focus, helping you prioritize your actions and make decisions that align with your objectives. Without clear goals, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly, unsure of what to do next. Motivation and commitment. Clear goals provide motivation and commitment. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you are more likely to stay committed and persevere through challenges. Goals give you a reason to push through difficult times and keep going. Measurement and progress tracking. Clear goals allow you to measure your progress and track your achievements. This helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments along the way. It also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Time management. Clear goals help you manage your time effectively. By setting specific deadlines and prioritizing tasks, you can make the most of your time and avoid wasting it on unimportant activities. Personal growth and development. Setting and achieving clear goals contributes to personal growth and development. It challenges you to step out of your comfort zone, learn new skills, and overcome obstacles. This continuous growth leads to a more fulfilling and successful life. Conclusion. Setting clear goals is the first step toward achieving success in any area of your life. It provides direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. By defining specific, measurable, achievable, and time-bound goals, you can create a roadmap to your desired future. Remember, success is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. Choose to set clear goals, and you will be well on your way to achieving greatness. Whether you aspire to be the next Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, J.K. Rowling, or Serena Williams, the power to succeed lies within you. Set your goals, take action, and never give up. Your future is in your hands.